Siyaqhubeka-ke nokudodisana mayelana ne-leadership. Ama-options esinawo njenge-South Africa sibhekene ney'nselelo ezahlukahlukene kwezepolitiki, kwezomnotho, kanye nakwi-civil society. Uma ngabe-ke sibheka under ithopikhi esisaqhubeka nayo ye-autocracy kumbe i-dictatorship versus i-democracy, siyabona ukuthi i-South Africa inenhlanhla ukuthi iqhubeke nokuthi ibe ne-democracy. Nakuba i-democracy yayo isike yakhombisa ukuthi inako ukuthi ingabi perfect. Siye saveza kuma-video adlule ukuthi kuye kwaba khona isikhathi la kuye kwama khona imishini in the middle of i-election, la sibone khona kuba khona ama-outcomes kumbe ama-results a-favor abantu abaphethe ngoba bengafuni ukuthi laba ababonakala engathi bayawina babe ingxenye kahulumeni obusayo. Uma ngabe-ke sibheka isimo esinjalo, sesingaqale-ke sizibuze ukuthi idemokhrasi yethu i-healthy yini? Idemokhrasi yethu i-credible yini? Kungani sizithole sikulesi simo? Ngabe lesimo siyahambisana yini ne-geopolitical situation yomhlaba eveza isimo esithi on the basis of ama-policies kanye nama-practices lawula ukusebenza kwe-economy, kuyameleka ukuthi siqonde ukuthi sihambisana nobani, siyobani, sakheke kanjani. I-South Africa-ke iyakheke kanje kweze-economy. Abaphethe i-economy e-South Africa abamhlophe, 80% of i-economy yase-South Africa isezandleni zabamhlophe. There are over 4 million white people okukhona kubo abantu abaphethe u-80% we-economy ezweni la kukhona abantu abamnyama abangaphezulu kwa-50 million. Uma ngabe-ke usibheka-ke leso simo si-consistent nomlando wethu we-colonialism, si-consistent nomlando wethu we-apartheid owawu-rooted on i-understanding yokuthi umuntu omnyama uyisisebenzi, umuntu omnyama uyi-cheap laborer, umuntu omnyama ubhekeke ukuthi abe ilunga le-underclass, okusho ukuthi abantu abangenayo i-choice yokuthi uma ngabe ethola umsebenzi kumele-ke ahole malini. I-education was meant to replicate noma ukuthi yakhe lolu hlobo lwabantu. Yayingamelekile ukuthi yakhe uhlobo lwabantu abama-artisans esibabonayo manje, ama-professionals esiwabonayo manje, abantu aba-talented esibabonayo manje, innovative leaders and creative people esibabonayo. That was not i-aim ye-colonialism kanye ne-apartheid. I-apartheid kanye ne-colonialism had wanted ukuthi kube khona isimo la siyabasebenzi khona, in fact si-underclass, engenawo amandla okudecida on ukuthi i-labor yami or engikunikezayo ngezikhwepha zami ngomqondo wami nangezikhwepha zami kumele kunqunywe yimina, kufanele kunqunywe yilo ophethe ama-means of production. Ama-means of production okuyi-equipment yokwakha izinto, yokuproducer ama-goods and services abaphethe i-economy. Now leso simo leso sisibeka ekuthenini ke by accident of a preference of the ruling party, which is the African National Congress, iyakwazi ukuthi kumanipulate-ke i-outcome yama results ukuze kugcine kufavorishe-ke labantu vele aba in charge of the economy, which happen to be represented by Democratic Alliance, who happen to be represented by Democratic Alliance and are able then to be giving us a credibility world stage as people who are having acceptability, as people who are giving ratings that are favorable for investment, as people who are right, because we have white people who are in control of the economy, and that happened by accident of preference, which cannot necessarily be guaranteed should things change, should Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa go, should the African National Congress go, should the political landscape dictate ukuthi mhlawumbe we are back to true majority rule, which we could not be sure if they would be invited to participate in the future government beyond Mr. Ramaphosa's reign as a head of the African National Congress that is in charge of government of national unity. Now, it then begs the question, Yoguti, is our democracy credible? Is democracy subjective? Is it possible, Ogoti, there is such a thing as manipulated democratic outcomes? Is it possible that we do not have a perfect model yayo i-democracy, even though we would say we appreciate outcomes, a democratic dispensation, as would express themselves in an independent judiciary esinikeza iMadlanga Commission that has outstanding results in probing wrongdoing in the country. We have civil society that's vibrant and challenging illegal immigration, and we have a vibrant media that is still able to raise issues and challenge issues in an environment of a world order that is moving towards being sensitive to geopolitical dynamics. Now, when you have a situation like that, you then go back to the drawing board and say, do we still have democracy here? Do we still have principles that are embedded on the idea of democracy? We do not know, but we will find out as the time goes. For Indlela Mithi NPO, Skills Development Facilitator, Biwe Mkhize, siyabonga.